will show you 7 TikTok niches that will make you rich, or at least one of them will make you a shit ton of money. And I'm not even kidding. The first and last niche bought me a car at the age of 20. So these niches can buy you a car as well. I ranked the niches from easiest to hardest, but you need to know that easiest are easier to make obviously, but there's more competition and probably less money. And the hardest ones are the most difficult to make, but they have more viral potential and they will make you the most money. So the first niche are the pointing videos. They are very simple to make, you've probably seen them. Let me show you my example actually from Snapchat, which is a video like this one. Jeffrey Dahmer was bad, but have you heard of ... And you just point on the title and then you showcase like the video, which you probably have stole from somewhere, you ripped it off. So these videos are super easy to make because you have people that already do this and you can find them here. For example, I linked one, and you can find lots of these on TikTok and on Instagram Reels. They make this type of videos all the time and you don't even have to show your face if you don't want to. As you can see, this one is another example. They have as an intro like a random clip that is a hook. I saw this one, for example, which was recent, 2 days ago, 10 million views, probably made them like $5,000 at least. Or if you're gonna go with the route of your face, you have to do something that stands out, because the basic stuff everybody has done it, you know, they show their face, point up and done. You have to brand yourself in a way, focus on visual hooks and branding to make it work. For example, my branding was the DVD logo on the back, which hit the corner actually. That was my branding. Like, it was the visual hook that made some kind of difference. That's what you gotta focus on. Find something that makes a difference. Number 2 is Roblox, and this is huge right now. You can do runs, gameplay, like giveaway videos and much more. For example, I used to have this one, which I ran for very little time, like a week maybe, and I got actually 1,000 subscribers. And my most viewed video, like you can see here, it had 35k views, like one of my first ones, and got me almost 1,000 subscribers. This was it, and I had branded myself as a Russian guy, and it was just things I found here and recreated them. Another one I had is Boris Rants, because rants were pretty popular at some point. This is a page I used to own. I have made videos on this one before. I'm not gonna show you like proof it's me because I've done it already. And these videos are very simple to make. They're all basically AI with some gameplay. You can play 2 times. I have a whole video on it. You can check it out on my YouTube channel. Like, I will show you, I showed you exactly how to make this step by step. And there is also this one. This is a very well-known Roblox player. He's more of a personal brand, but you can also do that for you as well. You can start a personal brand with Roblox and like it gets crazy views, and you can do a YouTube as well afterwards, and you're done. You're set for life. Then number 3 is AI commentary. These are a bit more difficult to make than the previous one, but it is still a saturated niche. But I have it here, even though it is saturated, that is actually good. It means it is proven to work. And we want actually a different approach on the same saturated niche, not a saturated approach on a saturated niche. We want a different angle. This is a page I have, for example, here, but it is pretty basic. This is, I think, their most viral thing. It's basically scary stuff narrated, you know, commentary, but you can do that literally for any niche, anything you want to do. You can do it for fishing videos. Just find something you like and you can make AI commentary very easily. Number 4 is movie clips. Here you can do a couple things as well. It can be movie edits, but they have to be 1 minute long, which is a bit harder to do. But then there is also simple recaps using AI or your own voice, or even with your own face as a personal brand. Talk about movies, do the recap of the movie, over dramatize things. And also it is very good if you can find good movies, or good in a way that they will go viral. The ones that work a lot are Brainrot movies. Now this is, I think, a newer creator, but they had some viral videos, so they focused on cartoons. I don't know where they found that, but this is pretty much the video. This is how you can make that. You can do lots of stuff with this one as well. And movies is generally a good niche because of the ads the advertiser can put. And next is Brainrot, which, holy, it's a great niche with holy potential and so many things you can do. I stopped doing it because I don't like ruining attention span of other people, mainly younger audiences. You can do that with storytelling, like using Brainrot animals and Italian Brainrot and all that stuff. You can use engagement bait. If you're gonna go the legit Brainrot route, you're gonna have to use AI tools, which can be more difficult. This is a crazy page. Look at these views, almost 50 million, 20 million. And these are recent videos. This is like 5 days ago. When I used to make some of this, I used Halo. I first used ChatGPT or any AI tool to create images of the story, and then I used Halo to animate those images. For some reason it won't open, but you know, you get the idea. But as you can see, the potential is a lot, and you can also post these on YouTube. You're gonna go crazy viral, crazy money. Then we have streamer clip. You already have authority and familiarity by building a streamer clip TikTok page. They provide you trust. It's like opening a business under a specific brand. So it means it's easier to grow if it's not very saturated, if you're not doing speed or Kai Cenat clips, or if you do them with a twist. Here I have two examples. This was like random Twitch streamer I found. I don't even know what it is, but you can see it gets pretty good views. Like with these few videos, these are thousands of dollars we're talking about, probably tens. If they did have like normally qualified views, nothing too crazy. And then like XQC, for example, that's a bit more saturated, but this guy made it work. Some videos are not getting lots of views, obviously, but he had lots of good view videos. These guys not optimizing them because they are like very short, but you can mix them up, have short and long. I don't know people doing that, and also posting them on YouTube Shorts as well is a great move because these tend to work very good there. My job is pretty much editing clips, like an actual video editor, videos and clips for other creators, so this works perfectly. And number one, personal brand is still king. It is the best of the best. It will always be ruling social media, and it will always be the way to make money on social media. You can do it either by teaching stuff. I don't mean specifically teaching stuff and being a guru, but you can take that route. Obviously, you can focus also on entertainment, like example, a movie page, like we said, or like I used to do here on this page. This was my most successful page, made me the most money on TikTok, and I used to do different stuff, horror and true crime, fun facts, which made me pretty good money back then. And also you can see lots of other routes. This is like food stuff. For example, this guy likes food and he reacts to these and tries these hacks. Like this was a great idea. He implemented it perfectly. Like he has few videos. He's a new creator and he's doing this specific style. Now this is for personal brands. She's teaching people how to run a personal brand, followers, sales, social media and stuff. And then this one was interesting. You can even teach stuff like English. If you know a language, you can actually teach it. And this girl doesn't even show her face and she just reads a paragraph slowly in English. This is 1 minute and 20 seconds long, and as you can see, they're all the same, and not even that many videos and already at 100k followers. And she even has a book apparently. So lots of ways to monetize that. Think of what you know and you can talk about to other people, teach, or actually entertain them with, like facts, like movies, like things you know and you do well and you like talking about with your friends and in your everyday life. And utilize that and create a TikTok based on that, and then create something to sell based on that. And if you want to learn even more about that, I have a whole TikTok Bible. I was getting crazy views at some point. I was making money, good money at some point. It is 67 pages long. That wasn't on purpose, I swear. And I've helped lots of people do that. These are some of my friends, some of my clients, some people that I've worked with. With Nis, for example, we did a lot of work. If you know and play League of Legends, he was one of the top coaches. Worked with him for years. You can see here we'll cover everything from finding niches, finding viral video ideas, how the algorithm works, all the way to 15 money printing strategies you can use, and it is packed with so much information. Go grab it. I also have free products you can find there which are very valuable and you can learn a lot of stuff. I hope this helped you. Go check out my other videos, check out my other free products, check out the TikTok Bible. You can learn lots of stuff, I believe, with the free resources and with the paid resources. I hope you got something out of it, and I hope I will see you in the next videos. Bye bye.